come again for this our entertainment news. So if this one is the first time when you dey jam this kind of video, I beg we gonna do it to like and follow our page. Make una subscribe, and if not that subscribe, don't forget to turn on that notification bell. Okay, they receive all the Ogboge updates we dey get for now. This will not be them say. This one na see am for yourself. Make you hear am for yourself. Oh, my people, as I talk am before, we don't come again with another Ogboge gist and another Ogboge story for this our entertainment news. All of us remember Judy Austin, Yeduche's second wife. She don't come out the blast. Oh, she dey hot. Judy Austin dey hot. She don't dey para. She dey para for everybody. Say make everybody free her. Say wetin happen. I say who are that to judge her? Say make nobody judge her. I don't get that right to judge her. Say make everybody wait for Baba himself, Jesus Christ, and where everybody waits. On that day, make him judge her by himself. Say nobody should judge her. Say make they allow her drink water, drop cup. Say wetin dey happen. Say hypocrisy don't fool everywhere. Everybody don't talk to hypocrites. But who not felt good before, they come out to condemn her. But who you own better part, they come out to condemn her. Say which kind of nonsense talk with all those one? She don't drag gistlover leg. Go say that gistlover where they don't know the faith behind. He said one day, that one in own nyash go open. Everybody go see her. He said right now, she don't the boy. Say enough is enough. Say make everybody ready. Don't go live. Say everybody bring your question. Because say she ready to answer any question. And she ready to expose the unexposable. We there here with the weights. We want here waiting they solve. And the my people are not raising this matter. When I come be like say I they put everything for my mouth. I go play on the video. Make una see her. Waiting she talk for the video. She dey provoke. She dey para well for everybody. Oh. My people, I go play on the video. Watch until the end. If we can't finish watching the video, we can come back, come analyze the matter. Make una watch this video.
Media. I mean, what is it? Again, every day you come out insult. What nonsense? Are you going to tell me how to live my life? No, I'm asking a question. Are you people going to tell me how to live, the decisions to make for myself? Are you going to tell a grown-up man? Are you going to tell you how to live his life? Somebody did 41 years, for goodness sake. What nonsense? I've had it. I've had enough of all this rubbish. Okay? Just so about she will just, or he, whoever the faceless blogger is, will make a stupid post spreading lies upon lies about people, unverified posts, unverified information, and then is that how gullible people are? No, really, is that how gullible people are, that everything you hear you swallow? Where is the common sense? Don't you people have common sense anymore? Where is the common sense? Are you not using your God-given brain anymore? Anything just over the corner, yeah, just what nonsense? What nonsense, I'm asking? What rubbish? You people will come and tell me how to live my life. You tell me the decision to make for myself, something that I feel like, oh, this is what I want to do. Have you seen me dictating how you live your life for you? Have you seen me telling you do this or do that? Do I judge you? What nonsense? Then if you listen to stupid faceless blogger, then you come to my page or you go to Odogu's page to come and type nonsense. I've had it. Did you hear me? I said enough. Did you hear me? I said enough. The fact that I've been silent all this while does not mean that I don't know what to say. The fact that for the past 1 year that I've not responded to any of you, that I've not responded to gistlover, that I've not said anything does not mean that I'm marry hengeku. But at this point, I've had it. I've had it. What rubbish? You see people acting as if they are Virgin Mary. Are you Jesus? Are you our blessed Virgin Mary? Are you Jesus? What right do you have? No, seriously. Ibuchuku. What right do you have to judge me? Simply because somebody will come out and say their own, and then others will be gingering them out. Then you think it gives you the right. It gives you the right to insult somebody that you don't know for complete 1 year and continue doing it. Jesus. Are you guys not okay? Are you guys okay upstairs? Okay? No, really, are you guys okay? How do you come out every day? What you do every day is to insult somebody and insult again, and then you think you're normal. You're not normal. Enough of it. Ozugo, enough of it. Enough of the insults. Oh, enough. You can't carry on verified gist and be running around town claiming to know. You don't know anything. You're only operating based on the information. And if you won't carry half-beat information. That's not how things are done. And at this point, me, I've had it. Okay? I am going to start exposing everybody involved in this. What I will say, the information I'm going to release, the ones people don't people don't even know anything. You think you do, but you don't actually know anything. And it is time, because me, I've had it. Everybody's just keeping silence, and then they say, hi, the cell corner. People are just looking to say, hey, let's see the drag that gistlover will drag Judy or you. Enough of it. I am going to start exposing everybody. Okay, for that kind of worm, everybody. If for that bees, it will swallow all of us this time around. Because if you're implicated in it, enjoy it. If I implicate you, enjoy it. If anything I'm going to say and you find your extrapolate I'll take it. Since all of us are acting Jesus, now I ain't telling you we are all saints. Everybody is holier than thou. Enough. I'm going to expose everybody. I'm coming on live. Yes. I said I'm coming on live. Come with your questions. Because I've had it up to here. Ozuko. I've had it. I'm going to expose every single one of you. Whatever it is you need me to address, I will address it. But my point is that enough of the insults. So that by the time I'm done with this life, then somebody again call trash. Only God knows what will happen. Only God knows. I'm coming on live on you Ledochie's Facebook verified page. I'm coming on live on his verified page on Facebook. Come tomorrow by 8 p.m. Come tomorrow by 8 p.m. and I will expose every single one of you. All the holier than thous. All the
people open I don't want the video reach the end. Well, I talk before say if we come back we go analyze the video, but I don't really get that power to analyze anything though. I don't get that power to analyze. She talk who am I to judge? I'm not a judge. I not read law for school. So on that day we go wait for judgments. Where Jesus himself come judge this kind of matter. Anyway, my people, anyhow you want be, I go sit talk and say that she drag her leg come aside. If she not drag her leg come aside, all this kind of thing nobody stop. So anything what would they do? Make we try to think first. Think about ourselves, think about others before we choke head put. Now only that one I get to talk for this matter. Until we meet again for another entertainment news, my people, make una stay jiggy and also stay safe. Una do.